Guys, this is my first time riding a mobility scooter. Ayan, gasoline station nila, self-service yan. Walang mga gasoline boy, walang cashier. Pwede ka lang magbayad dyan ng card. Tignan nyo kung gaano kaganda to. Dito ko lang nakakita to, wala sa Pilipinas. Look! Woo! Ayan ako, nakikita nyo, may mga seal, baby seal. Daming seals, oh. So this is the reverse.
Yes, you pull that one to you.
This is the accelerator.
Yes, and if you want to stop, just let go of those.
Let go of the
or
accelerator.
do it gently, one or the other.
Okay, but unlike that one, there's no extra brake, right?
No.
Okay, what's this for?
That's for the speed. What speed you want to go at the moment.
Okay.
It's on a slow speed,
level.
but as you get used to it going down there, you can go like that.
Okay. Yeah, I don't like that. And then the battery is good, right? Since
yes, they're all good.
All right, let me try it. Yeah, guys. Alright, guys, this is my first time riding a mobility scooter. Okay, itong mobility scooter ginagamit to ng mga PWD, mga matatanda. Imbis na maglakad sila, pwede nilang gamitin to para hindi sila mapagod. Kung malapit lang naman, di naman kailangan ng kotse. Ito yung ginagamit nila mama at saka ni Ron, para tipid sa gas and enjoy nila yung view. Okay, hindi tayo allowed sa road, pero dito sa gilid-gilid pwede. Let's go! Punta tayo sa grocery. Kunyari mag-grocery tayo. Ayan, gasoline station nila, self-service yan. Walang mga gasoline boy, walang cashier. Pwede ka lang magbayad dyan ng card. Ayan, pwede ka magbayad ng card. Ayan yung price. And self-serve. Pero since mobility scooter ang dala natin, wala tayong gas, kuryente lang to. Hi, Ron! Alright, here's the grocery store. We went there earlier and yesterday we bought some groceries. New World Grocery Store. Ganyan na siya kabagal, guys. Hindi siya kasing bilis ng mga motor syempre, pero parang siyang e-bike. Hi, Ron! Say hi to my vlog! Alright. Marami daw na hinto dito. Tignan nyo kung gaano kaganda to. Dito ko lang nakakita to, wala sa Pilipinas. Look! Woo! Ayan ako, nakikita nyo, may mga seal, baby seal. Daming seals, oh. This one is sleeping also. Madami yan, guys, ayun, oh. Tulog, oh. Look at the view, guys.